Bullish ETH value expectation is $1,451.58 to $4,128.18. Ethereum cost could likewise reach $2,000 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2022 is $994.34. In Ethereum cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ETH to break down the future development of the digital currency. Ethereum current market status. The cost of Ethereum is $1,290.36 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,840,796,146 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, ETH has diminished by almost 2.4% as of now. Besides, Ethereum has a coursing supply of 120,682,395 ETH. At present, Ethereum exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Huobi Global. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local digital money of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that changed the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of savvy contracts. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is energized by Ether. The plan of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as an expected platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. In this way, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The brilliant agreements are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These savvy contracts are conveyed and executed through the Ethereum Candy machine. Ethereum will progress to the verification of stake agreement through the Union update. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy serious evidence of work since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum engineers have started planning for the POW2POS progress. The consolidation update is set for September 15. After this change, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value expectation 2022. The above graph of Ethereum spread out a falling wedge. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line, which associates the highs, and the lower pattern line, which interfaces the lows, unite downwards. The wedge design overall shows a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example shows a breakout in the cost pattern towards an upswing. From the above graph, we can decipher that the energy of the downtrend is dialing back. Right now, Ethereum is in the scope of $1,299.82 on the off chance that the example proceeds. The cost of ETH could arrive at the opposition levels of $1,352.57, $1,509.02, and $1,797.85. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to $1,209.22. The diagrams show that Ethereum has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $4,128.18. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum could dive to nearly $994.34, a negative sign. Ethereum value forecast 2022. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ethereum is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of ETH lies underneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Ethereum is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, Ethereum cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, ETH has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record of the ETH is 38.45. This implies that Ethereum is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of ETH might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Ethereum value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional record of Ethereum. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall instability file of Ethereum. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ETH lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Ethereum is at 38.45, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above outline, we can decipher ETH as moving in a comparative pattern to BTC. This shows that when the cost of BTC expands, the cost of ETH likewise increments. Likewise, when the cost of BTC diminishes, the cost of ETH diminishes. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Ethereum could presumably achieve $2,300 by 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Ethereum could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could mobilize to hit $2,600 by 2024. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would energize to hit $2,900. Ethereum Value Forecast 2026. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $3,200. Ethereum Value Forecast 2027. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would revitalize to hit $3,500. Ethereum Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Ethereum holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a huge cost rallies. Subsequently, by 2028, ETH would hit $3,800. Ethereum Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, it would observe significant spikes. ETH could hit $4,100 by 2029. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Ethereum environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Ethereum for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Ethereum could hit $4,400 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the Ethereum organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ETH. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Ethereum in 2022 is $4,128.18. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ethereum cost expectation for 2022 is $994.34. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Ethereum biological system, the exhibition of ETH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $4,878.26 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $2,000 assuming the financial backers accept that ETH is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Ethereum? Ethereum or Ether is the local digital currency of Ethereum. Ethereum is a second-age blockchain stage that sent off in 2015. Ether was sent off in 2014. 2. Where could you